now coming in after the request through sources. What we are learning that was made by Bangladesh to ICC to shift the upcoming matches that were expected to be played in India to another country, which was Sri Lanka. It seems that the ICC has ignored when it comes to this request of the Bangladesh Cricket Board. Now, the ICC telling the Bangladesh Cricket Board and its players there to either play in India or be ready to forfeit their points. Well, it means, Karishma, as far as the request is now concerned, of course, it was a last-minute one, but it is not being taken seriously by the ICC. Karishma, if you can unmute yourself, please. Karishma, please unmute yourself till the time we reconnect that line with Karishma. But this seems to be as far as Bangladesh deciding that they will not play in India, citing security concerns, but not giving out much detail on that. And they had urged and requested the ICC to move the matches to Sri Lanka. ICC, however, has now issued this ultimatum to Bangladesh, saying that you have two options. Either you can play in India, continue with the tournament, or be ready to forfeit points. The warning that is now coming in, as far as top sources reveal, that the ICC has now the request that was put up by Bangladesh, it has now been rejected.